Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Oleg. I'm your host today. I'm going to do unboxing and assemble of this new Kingbull Rover I just received. This is an off-road machine, dual suspension. So let's open up and see how it's packed. Here has a bicycle pack from the top. Inside you're gonna find seat, fenders right here you would need to attach, and everything looks very good packed so far. And here's how it looks from the side. Everything looks untucked. Over here is a box with the tools. I'm going to open up and to show you what is inside. Full-size pedals. Looks like charger. It says 3-amp charger. There's a box with wow, it comes with a large headlight, like I usually use for e-moped style, but it's pretty large. And it comes with the tools over here and user manual right here. Oh wow, it comes with really nice tools. And this one is really nice, like professional wrench for bike and small one. So you got a lot of tools with this bike. The first step I'm going to do, install the handlebar. In order to install the handlebar, you would need to remove these 4 bolts from here, from headset. So I'm going to remove it. And in order to attach the handlebar, you would, I don't know if all of them comes like this, but I would have to move this fork a little bit lower, because these two, I'm not sure what's the name for them, tubes are on the way, so you cannot really attach the handlebar like this. So what you do, you use an Allen key, which is 6 millimeters. You would tighten 4 bolts on the sides, like I just did. Okay. And then you would move it up to here. It's pretty simple process. And then once you're tight, bring them all the way up. You would tighten. And you would tighten. Looks like they're specifically not tightened well, so it's probably designed this way. And now you'll bring the handlebar up. This shifter going to be on your right side. Make sure it's not drop. And reattach with same bracket you just removed. With the 4 bolts you just removed as well. And I use this torque wrench set. It's good up to 24 Nm torque from 2. So it's easy to use, come with all these bits you need usually to assemble the bike, more like professional tools. Highly recommend to have one if you're going to do assembly by yourself and maintain the bike. It's available, link in description. The next step, I will attach the wheel. Before attaching the wheel, I would remove this nuts from both sides with a locking washer. Same thing on this side. And the reason I do this, it will be much easier to install the wheel. It takes only a few, maybe seconds longer versus to put them together, but it will be much easier to install it. I'll show you how. I would lift up the fork, and this fork protector, the metal piece, I would remove. Then I would remove this plastic from the brakes. This is protecting the brakes from locking in, and insert the wheel like this. Make sure you put the disc brake between the pads, and then you would just drop it, just like that. Then I would use the kickstand, and the bike can stand it like this. Then I take this locking washer, this small piece like this, going inside. There's a hole in the fork, you're going inside the hole over there. Then you use this nut to attach it, and you do exactly the same thing on both sides. The next step to attach the headlight, and if you're planning to attach the fenders, mud guards, it's a time to attach now. I will not attach it because I like the look without. We don't get much rain. I will keep it in storage, but I will attach the headlight right over here. So you would need to remove this bolt before attaching. So once you remove the bolt, you take this nut, insert it, and reattach it, and use the nut from behind to tighten up. Then use the Allen key to tighten up. You would need to reconnect this cable right over here. You need to find right here. You would just align two arrows and push it from both sides, just like that. That's it. You would need Allen key if you want to move the headlight up and down. You would loosen up this bolt from both sides a little bit, and you can move it up and down depending on the location you want. And then you tighten up all these bolts, and it should stay very well. Pretty large headlight. And now it's time to attach the pedals. So I'm gonna start with the right side. So right side on my right hand while sitting on the bike, but you don't need to guess. It says here R, and pedal have R, so it means right to the right. Also, it will show you direction, so you cannot miss it. So it will show direction. You can remove the sticker because you don't need it, and you can attach it. The pedals, just like that. You can also try to do this way. I'll use a 50mm wrench to tighten up. And you do exactly the same thing on another side. And the bike is almost assembled, so you would just remove the plastic from the seat. You can adjust the seat different height. Actually, it's pretty tall seat post, so it can fit somebody who is tall and somebody who is short, because this step over frame is kind of low. Nice color with some sparkle in it. Very good paint. Everything looks great on this bike so far. I'm gonna adjust the air pressure in the tires based on what listed on the tire on the side. Make sure you follow no maximum, usually between 10 to 20 psi. Then charge the battery first until the green light on the charging block. The next step would be to make sure also all the bolts, nuts, everywhere tighten correctly before you start to ride the first time. This was unboxing and assembly video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see the full video riding experience, check link in description later on. I'm gonna take it for the uphill speed test to see how the bicycle perform and go with you over all the specifications of this bike. If you're interested to buy one of this bike, there's a special discount available in the description, like $80 off with my code ERIDES. And if you use this discount, not only you're gonna save some money, but you will also support my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.